Hi, this is Home's Guide. Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into the world of kitchen innovation. Ever struggled to find the perfect fridge that fits seamlessly into your space? Say no more. Today, I'm thrilled to unveil the top 5 best counter-depth French door fridges that redefine convenience and style. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or simply seeking efficiency, these fridges are game changers. Ready to upgrade your kitchen game? Let's dive in. So check the link in the description below for all the details. Number 1. The Samsung 23CU foot panel ready 4-door French door counter depth refrigerator is a top choice for anyone seeking the best counter depth fridge with French doors. This sleek and stylish appliance boasts a spacious 23 cubic feet capacity, perfect for accommodating all your groceries while maintaining a seamless look in your kitchen. With dimensions of 36 by 29 by 70 inches, it fits neatly into most kitchen spaces without protruding, offering a built-in look. The stainless steel door material enhances durability and adds a modern touch. Special features include a convenient water dispenser, ensuring you always have easy access to fresh, cold water. Certified by Energy Star, this refrigerator is designed to be energy efficient, helping you save on utility bills. The French door design and the additional 2 doors offer easy access and organization, making it simple to store and retrieve items. Weighing in at 336 pounds, this refrigerator is robust and built to last. For anyone looking to elevate their kitchen with a high-performing, elegant refrigerator, the Samsung 4-door French door model is an excellent choice. Number 2. Smeta French door kitchen refrigerator, the epitome of style, functionality, and innovation. With a generous total capacity of 22.5 cubic feet, including 15.89 cubic feet for the refrigerator and 6.61 cubic feet for the freezer, this counter-depth fridge is designed to seamlessly blend into your kitchen while offering ample storage space. Equipped with an automatic ice maker, you'll never have to worry about running out of ice again, and with a 2-year warranty on ice maker components, peace of mind comes standard. The fridge also boasts freezing and supercooling functions, all while being energy efficient thanks to its inverter compressor. Its double crispers ensure optimal humidity control for your fruits and vegetables, while adjustable shelves and gallon bins provide customizable storage options. The sleek, modern design with a flat finish and French door configuration adds a touch of elegance to any home or office space. Illuminated by LED lights, this full-size refrigerator shines in brushed stainless steel, making it the perfect choice for the best counter-depth fridge French door seekers. Elevate your kitchen experience with the Smeta French door kitchen refrigerator. Number 3. Coolmore KM Murph's 18C 30-inch counter-depth French refrigerator, your ultimate solution for spacious, organized, and sleek refrigeration. Crafted with premium stainless steel, this fridge combines functionality with elegance. With a generous 18.5 cubic feet capacity, it aligns perfectly with your kitchen counters, offering ample storage for all your culinary essentials. The adjustable glass shelving and double crisper drawers with humidity control ensure optimal preservation of fruits, vegetables, and meats. Its modern design with easy open handles seamlessly integrates into contemporary kitchens, adding a touch of sophistication. Equipped with a double-flow cooling system and digital temperature control, this fridge delivers precise temperature regulation, ensuring your food stays fresher for longer. Perfect for those seeking the best counter-depth French door refrigerator, the Coolmore KM Murph's 18C combines style, functionality, and performance in one impressive package. Number 4. GE 36-inch French door refrigerator, a sleek addition to any modern kitchen. With its generous 27 cubic feet total capacity, this Energy Star certified appliance provides ample storage space for all your groceries while minimizing energy consumption. The fingerprint-resistant stainless steel exterior ensures your fridge stays looking pristine with minimal upkeep. Equipped with LED lighting, finding items inside is effortless, even in low-light conditions. One standout feature is the internal water dispenser, providing quick and convenient access to chilled water without compromising the sleek exterior design. The spill-proof shelves help contain messes, making cleanup a breeze. Its French door design adds a touch of elegance while maximizing accessibility. Whether you're stocking up for a big family or entertaining guests, the GE 36-inch French door refrigerator offers unmatched versatility and style. Ideal for those seeking the best counter-depth fridge with French doors, this refrigerator combines functionality with modern aesthetics seamlessly. Elevate your kitchen experience with the GE 36-inch French door refrigerator. Number 5. SMAD 36-inch French door refrigerator, the epitome of sleek design and efficient functionality. With its spacious 22.5 cu.ft capacity and French doors that open to full width, accessing your fresh and frozen goods has never been easier. The digital temperature control panel and built-in ice maker ensure precise temperature management and ice availability at your fingertips. Crafted with fingerprint-proof stainless steel, this refrigerator maintains its pristine appearance effortlessly, making it the perfect addition to any modern kitchen. Its counter-depth design maximizes space utilization, while the inverter compressor ensures quick cooling and freezing responses, keeping your food fresh for longer periods. With 3 large flexible shelves and 2 drawer-style freezers, customizable storage options abound, catering to all your culinary needs. Plus, with SMAD's satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year warranty, you can rest assured of exceptional quality and customer service. Elevate your kitchen with the SMAD 36-inch French door refrigerator, the best counter-depth fridge French door option on the market. In conclusion, choosing the best counter-depth French door fridge requires considering various factors like size, features, and energy efficiency. From our comprehensive review, it's evident that each model has its unique strengths and caters to different needs. Whether it's sleek design, advanced technology, or spacious interiors, there's a counter-depth fridge out there for everyone. We hope this video has provided valuable insights to help you make an informed decision. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Share this video with friends and family for more updates and informative content.